How to screenshot a Snapchat without them knowing? To do that, first of all, make sure that you have installed and updated your Snapchat in phone with its latest version so that you won't miss out any new features. After you do that, you can now normally go on the Snapchat. Going there, you will go and see interface like this. In the down bar, you can again see the message icon, and when you tap on it, you will see many people here. Just select the person whose photo you want to screenshot. For example, I want to screenshot the photo sent here. Just go through here and then make sure to turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on the Google Play mode on your phone. After you do that, just screenshot the photo. And after screenshotting this photo, just go and turn your Wi-Fi on. And after you turn the Wi-Fi on, what you can do is just press it and go on chat and notification settings. And when you tap here, clear from chat feed. When you tap on it, then the friend will not know that you have just screenshotted their photo. So this is how you do it. They might show the option of screen recording because I'm screen recording the video for tutorial, but they will not show the screenshot that we have just done. So yes, this is how you do it. If you like our video, then please to subscribe our channel. Thank you.